Hiring a professional deep cleaning service can make your home sparkle. But did you know that a little preparation before they arrive can make the service more effective, more efficient, and even save you money? Today, we'll walk through the steps you should take before your deep clean so you get the best possible results. If your living room is crowded with clutter, cleaners may spend time just moving things around instead of deep cleaning your floors, baseboards, and surfaces. Declutter floors and surfaces. Pick up toys, clothes, books, mail, and random items from floors and countertops. Put pets in a secure area or outside. Clear pet toys and bowls. Remove small decor, dishes, gadgets, or paper piles so cleaners can wipe and sanitize surfaces. Pack away breakables, heirlooms, and valuables so cleaning teams can work safely. Explain that many cleaners appreciate a brief note or walkthrough highlighting priority zones, i.e., stubborn stains, areas needing special attention. Clear off dishes and countertops. Empty sink completely. Store away small appliances. Wipe off food debris and crumbs. This allows cleaners to reach behind appliances, wipe sticky spots, and sanitize surfaces fully. Remove personal toiletries from counters. Hang towels neatly. Move floor mats aside. Bathrooms often have mold, soap scum, and hard water buildup, and moving items allows deep cleaning in all nooks. Make beds quickly. Pick up clothes or clutter. Put anything fragile away. This lets cleaners reach baseboards, under furniture, and around closets. Fluff pillows. Pick up toys, remote controls, magazines. Push chairs inward to expose floors. Exposed floors let cleaners vacuum and mop without obstruction. Don't feel like you need a perfect home. The goal is to give the cleaners room to work. Show priority areas. Tell cleaners where you want extra focus: grout, baseboards, rings around sinks. If anyone in the home has sensitivities to scents or products, mention allergies or preferences. Let the team know where pets will be and where access is allowed.